Hi everyone, my name is Amrita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful brown smoky eye look. This look is really subtle yet gorgeous. You can wear this look with any kind of outfit, but I personally prefer to wear this look with Indian outfits like saris, kurtis and especially with silver junk jewelries. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Before starting with the makeup, I want to tell you that I already prepped my skin with Cetaphil moisturizer and I put lip balm as well, and I did it before 5 minutes so that my skin can absorb the moisturizer and there is no excess oiliness or greasiness and my skin is soft, supple and ready for makeup. The first product is primer. Today I am using Maybelline Master Prime. I am taking a little amount of this and applying all over my face, especially where I have some oiliness and open pores. Next is eyebrow. Today I am using Maybelline Tattoo Brow Waterproof Gel. I start applying this product from middle of my eyebrow till towards the end. Then with the help of a spoolie, I am blending it. Avoid applying brow product towards starting of your eyebrow, otherwise it will look very fake. Now I am using Sugar Stick Foundation to conceal visible hair growth around brow area and make the eyebrows prominent. And I am repeating the same step on the other side. Next, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Cool Tan. I am applying this under my eye area where I have dark circles. Beside my nose, I have some redness here, some on my chin area where I have some discoloration, and on my pimple marks. Now I will blend everything by using a damp beauty blender. Now time for foundation. I am using Sugar Serum Base Foundation. It is a light coverage foundation, good for everyday use. It has a runny kind of texture and it's very blendable and gives a nice flawless natural look. I am blending the foundation with the help of the beauty blender. Now I am using a Kryolan loose powder on those areas wherever I have applied concealer, and I am using this powder in a very little amount because I don't want to look my face very powdery, and I am putting little extra under my eyes. I will be doing my eyeshadow later on, and I will dust off this excess powder whenever I am done with my eye makeup. Now I am using Hoola bronzer by Benefit to contour my face. This bronzer is very nice. I will be using this bronzer a little bit on my nose area to make it look sharper, and a bit under my lower lips to make it look fuller. I prefer using powdery contour product for my day-to-day makeup look. And this bronzing part is very important for makeup because it gives a dimension to your face, so your face doesn't look flat. So I'm almost done with my contour. Now time for blush. Today I'm using a blush named Feeling Romance by MAC. It is a very soft coralish kind of blush and suitable for all skin tone. I'm using this blush on apple of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose to make my face more real and fleshy. Eye makeup, today I'm using a paint pot by MAC in the name of Indian Wood. It doesn't have much color, but it creates a very soft and smooth base for any kind of powdery eyeshadow. Now I will take a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, and a transition color from Inglot, and I will put this color on my crease area. I'll take very small amount of the eyeshadow, and I will blend the color in a sweeping motion. I will take the transition color in a very small amount and slowly and gradually will build the crease area. I'll repeat the same step on the other eye also. Now I will take a brown color from Kryolan eye palette and apply this brown color all over my eyelid by using a flat brush, but you can use your finger also. After that, I will take the blending brush and I will blend both the colors nicely. Now I will take a dark brown color from Inglot palette and a small tip brush and put the color in the outer edge of my eyelid and smoking it off. I will use the dark brown color under my eyelid, under my lower lash line also. Lastly, I will take the blending brush and blend everything together. I am using a kajal by Faces Canada and applying on my upper waterline and as a eyeliner also. Eyeliner needs to be very perfect because I am smudging it with a pencil brush.
I will put the same kajal in a lower waterline also, and I will smudge that too with the help of the pencil brush. I'm using this pale gold color from Inglot to highlight my brow bone area. For eyelashes, I'm using Maybelline mascara. I'm not using any false lashes today, so I'm coating my eyelashes with this mascara nicely. This is a very nice and affordable mascara. It gives volume and length both together. Do not forget to coat your lower lashes also. I'm done with the eye makeup, so I'm dusting off the excess loose powder from my under eye area. And the final step for the makeup is highlighter. And today I'm using a highlighter from Sugar, and I'm applying it on the usual parts like cheekbone, on top of my nose, cupid bow, a little bit in my chin and forehead area. And look at the glow. To make everything long lasting, I'm using a setting spray by Kiko Milano and spraying all over my face. To finish this look today, I'm using a liquid lip color by Smashbox. It is a kind of pinkish plus nudish lip color, just perfect for this eye look. To complement my attire, I am wearing a golden jhumka and a red bindi, and my entire brown smoky makeup look is done.
If you find this video useful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestions for me, please write it down in the comment section below. I will definitely come back with more videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.